All right, so far we have covered the rural and suburban communities of the three types. Thinking back to those rural that seem very similar to the areas outside of Indianapolis where we see all that corn growing. The suburban, which is very similar to where we live, maybe kind of like if you've been up to Carmel or Zionsville or down into like Greenwood would be some of those examples of suburban communities. And now we're going to talk about the third, which is the urban communities. Many people live, work, and play in urban communities like San Francisco, California. Today, about 800,000 people live in San Francisco. Most live in apartment buildings and row houses. Row houses share walls. In San Francisco and other cities, people work in tall buildings or skyscrapers. Many people from suburban communities travel to San Francisco to work. They may also come to shop in stores, visit museums, and eat at restaurants. Some travel to San Francisco across the Golden Gate Bridge by car or bus. Others ride ferry boats. Once inside the city, people can ride cable cars through the San Francisco's hilly streets. Now in number 3 below, we see compare and contrast. It says underline the words in the chart that show how the population in each type of community is different. So you're going to find those things that tell how the population is different in each of the rural, suburban, and urban communities. When you're done with that, there'll be one more video explaining a special project you are going to work on today.